everyone, it's Claudette. Welcome back to the Greeting Farm channel. I've got another big kit to share with you. If you haven't noticed the size, I'm really excited for this one, and this one is going to be perfect for the upcoming holiday. I wonder if you guys can guess what it is. Or which holiday I'm referring to. Anyways, without further ado, I am going to quickly go over this kit so that you guys can head over to the store, because it is available for pre-order starting today, August 1st through the 7th, and I'll give you more details. But let's take a look at the kit real quick. We've got a Halloween big kit, and it is so adorable. This one is called Boo Crew, and this is based off the characters in our coloring books that are being sold on Amazon. We're under TGF Cafe Press, I believe, is what we're under on Amazon. I will link all the coloring books in the description box down below if you are interested. These are based on some of the characters in some of the coloring books that we have available. And yeah, this is our Halloween kit. I'm not sure if there's another Halloween kit that's gonna be released with like Anya's, the Beans, Cheekies. I'm not quite sure, but right now this is what I know, and it is a really adorable kit. This kit measures 8.5 by 12, so you get a lot of elements in here, as you can see. So let's quickly look at these. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 characters dressed up in Halloween costumes. We've got, I believe this is a cat in a pirate's outfit, a bunny in like a fairy outfit, sheep, I think, in an angel outfit, fox in Frankenstein, raccoon in a ballerina, bear in like a Harry Potter-ish type costume, and then we've got like a lion in a king outfit, like a Lion King outfit, a frog with vampire Dracula type costume, a cute adorable dog in like a Sherlock Holmes investigator detective type outfit or costume, and then a cute adorable pig in a little witch costume. It's so cute. And then we have all these cute elements to create your projects, Halloween projects with. They are so adorable. Starting off with this spooky looking tree. We've got a skull. We've got a jack-o'-lantern treat bag or basket, and then a fence, firefly. I forgot to stamp this one, but it's a candy. And then we got some tombstones. And then I'm not sure which this one is. I should have asked. It looks like a chick to me. It could also, yeah, it looks like a chick, like this little chick. So in a little wagon with some candies, and then we have the moon, pumpkin, bat, candle, another ghost, a pumpkin, and then we have a little cute little mouse here with a candy corn. We've got some lollipops, another candy, and then we have 3 homes that they could be trick-or-treating in front of. I mean, this is not only, as I'm going through this with you guys, I'm seeing a lot of things that this doesn't have to be just a Halloween kit. Like, these homes can be something like a welcome to the neighborhood if you use these home with your other Greeting Farm stamp sets, or just, you don't need to. You could just use these 3 steps saying, stamps saying welcome to the neighborhood type card or project. So yeah, we got those. And then let's quickly go over the sentiments. We have Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, Hey Pumpkin, Boo Crew, Candy Please. So yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this one because I'm quickly doing this. I apologize if I'm going way too fast, but this is like firefly, lightning bug, whatever you want to call it. I was unsure about this. I knew it was a bug, but I had to ask, and then for some reason I forgot to ask about the other one I wasn't sure about. But look at this adorable kit. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to make favors using these stamp images for my favors, because they're a little bit different from my normal ones, because I usually use like Anya, Ian, the Beans, usually people character type. So this would be an adorable project for this year. So the details with this kit, it is available today, August 1st through the 7th for pre-order. The price is $42 pre-order price. If you wait for it to go into the store, if there are any left, they are $50. So I always say, if you are a frequent viewer of our channel and you see my big kits reveal videos, you know that getting them pre-order is the best bet, because you're guaranteed a set, the big kit, and you're guaranteed the $42 pre-order price. If not, you have to wait if there's any left from the pre-order, and you pay $50. Now we can't always guarantee that there's going to be any leftover after we send out all the pre-orders to everyone who had pre-ordered their kits. If there is, it's a first come first serve basis. I'm not always informed that they are up in the shop. I try my best to check it out and see if they are, but I'm not always at my computer to see if they are. And by the time I do, they are already sold out. So I encourage you guys to go ahead and pre-order this. If you decide that it's something you don't like, which I don't think you would, you can always gift this. It's such a cute gift to one of your crafty friends, or even to your child who loves arts and crafts. So this is our big kit that is available now for pre-order. Once again, it's called Boo Crew, and I'm not quite sure when it will be sent out to you guys. If I do find that out, I will put it in the description box down below with all that information. So I hope you enjoy this kit as much as I enjoyed coloring it, and I can't wait to start using it in my Halloween projects. I did not have time to make any. I wanted to, because I have some in mind, but I've been having issues with my senior dogs, and so I haven't been able to do that, but I hope to share some with you guys soon, whether it be on my personal Instagram page or the Greeting Farms. I hope you check it out, and I hope you check it out and get inspired by what I create and what the other DTs create using this kit, and your fellow crafters. So thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.